Hello friends, today I am going to tell you about how to write a program by taking user input. I'll tell I'd like to tell you. Yes. Firstly you have to include header file, include, then arrow mark stdio.h. Yes, then arrow mark. Next one I have to int main. This is the starting of a program. It is int main. Have to two brackets. Then I have to open curly bracket. Then enter. Is a real program. Integers. Int nothing but integers. Number 1. Number 2. Then I have to take sum. These three numbers that I am going to take in this program. So next yes, print statement. Printf is in a inverted comma, enter two numbers, then have to put a colon there, yes, colon, then closing of inverted comma, then close bracket, then semicolon, yes, semicolon, yes. So next scanf, that means to say to take a user input we have to use this program called scanf. Here start with the inverted comma, that means to say integer usually called as a %d, so we call this one as a %d, yes, %d for one number, again %d for other number, and I have to close the inverted comma there. Yes, next have to address of these numbers have to tell, means that is ampersand. We have to use the symbol of ampersand. Number 1, next ampersand of number 2. Have to yes, close the bracket and semicolon. Next have to put a sum is equal to number, yes, number 1 plus number 2. Yeah, have to put a semicolon there, semicolon. Next print statement, printf. What you have to write in a print means they have to display the results. For displaying of result we have to write a printf statement. Here in what format we have to write, in that format you have to write this one ampersand, this one %d yes, %d next %d, sorry, plus you have to write there, plus %d, and then percentage plus d plus percentage d is equal to percentage d. The sum will also integer, no? That's why we have to write that one also percentile d. Which number that they are referring means yes, which number they are referring means first number is number 1, second number is number 2, third number is sum. Yes, we have to close the bracket and yes, afterwards come to the next line, then return with 0 means exact result we need, so that's why we have to put a 0 there. Lastly, end the curly bracket. So this is what we have to write or we take the user input and get the results. Shall I run now? Yes, I'll run. I am very excited to run this program. Let us come to know. I'll giving two numbers 1 and 2. Yes, I am okay. I have to on internet. Yes, I switched on the internet and I have to run now. Yes, first number I will going to give you first and 1 and 2 numbers. I'll run. Yes, that is this is what the program. Yes, you see, if 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. This is my another program. Thank you very much, friends. I hope you understood. Thank you. Have a nice day.